Hello everyone, this is my screencast for my final project um, for information technologies. So in this screencast I'm going to talk about the animal rescue that I work at as one of my interests, which is animals. As you can see, there are a bunch of dogs here. I'll click on Galeo. Uh, no, he's a part. Just one of the dogs at our rescue that you could see. At the rescue, I believe there are four dogs at the moment, but we're getting another transport next weekend. I go in, I take care of the dogs, I make sure their cages are clean. I also wrote this bio here. Um, and this is probably my favorite place to go to. You get to play with the dog, you walk them and stuff. Let me show you another picture of him. See, look at him smiling. How cute he is, right? Maybe one more. He's a couch potato. Um, so that's pretty much all I have to say about All for One. And that is the animal rescue I volunteer at. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this screencast and my project.